So I was driving down the highway yesterday near Tulsa, Oklahoma, and would you believe it or not, I actually saw a Los Angeles fire truck. Yes, a Los Angeles fire truck. I have no idea what they were doing way over here in Oklahoma, but it had all the markings. If you followed me on Instagram, like you should, you may have already seen it. Take a look. Now, seeing this truck on the road prompted me to do a Google search on the Los Angeles Fire Department, which is not something I've Googled very often. And it turns out I found this. That's right, the LAFD is going electric. They're in the process of buying the first electric fire truck in the country. They are purchasing it from an Australian company called Rosenbauer for a reported $1.2 million. Now, I know fire trucks can be pretty expensive, obviously. From what I've read, it's not uncommon for trucks to cost between $500,000 to $600,000 depending on what they have to offer. But yeah, this electric vehicle will cost $1.2 million, although it will still have a diesel-powered generator, which is probably a good thing because you don't want your truck out there fighting fires for a long time and the battery to go dead. So please, click like on the video and drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of the LAFD purchasing an electric fire truck. Is this a good decision or a waste of taxpayer money? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.